So these are my Flexi shoes that I bought about 2.5 years ago in the city of Morelia. Many of the men, Mexican men, especially in Morelia, are dressed conservatively. So it's normally going to be jeans, a shirt, t-shirt or long sleeve shirt, and some kind of dress shoes. So I bought these here at a local store in Centro. And what's happened as I walk so much, as you can see right here, that I've worn a hole in actually both shoes, and probably due to the hard environment, but you can see I also have uneven wear on that. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take them to a shoe shop and see if they're going to be able to replace that, and I'll add to this video after I talk to them. Okay, I'm in Morelia Centro and I'm coming to the shoe repair shop to pick up my shoes. So here's the location, and I'm gonna go in and fix the shoes up, and then I'll show you what they look like with the final product. Thanks. Okay, I am now back at the apartment, so let's check out these shoes here. The first thing you'll notice is that they do need to be cleaned and polished. I did not ask the repairman to do that. I don't even know if he offers that service or not, but let's just go ahead and get straight to the heels. And the first thing that you will notice is that they are a different color than the original heel. The repairman did ask me right up front and said, is black okay? That's all he had. And to me, black was perfectly fine. It was better than what I had before, which was holes in the heels and really not wearable. You can see it's a good quality. And they are kind of dirty because I did try them on before I left the shop, make sure they were a good fit. And they were, it was really well done. So I was really pleased with the fact that it was able to be done relatively quickly. It took basically 2 days. I dropped them off on a Wednesday afternoon and came back and picked them up on that following Friday. So 2 days. The total cost was 120 pesos. Today's currency conversion was roughly about $6.50. So really a great deal. Considering the shoes I paid, I think, like I said before, about $65. Definitely got a lot of wear out of them the first time, and now I can extend that wear. One of the things I truly love about Mexico is that it is not a throwaway society like the US. There are repair shops for just about everything. Sometimes you need to look a little harder. It was a challenge to find this guy because a lot of the younger people wear tennis shoes, so the repair shops specialize in tennis shoes. But in Centro here in Morelia, it was a really nice older shop, and he specializes in dress shoes and boots and stuff like that. So it was a great deal for me. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment, and please like and subscribe. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.